Have you ever just stopped and wondered how an AI actually works? How it turns what you type into a perfect answer? Let's break it down. So, how does it do that? You ask a question, and boom, a meaningful answer appears almost instantly. What's actually happening inside that black box? Well, it's not magic, but it is a really clever two-step process.
You see, to give you that answer, the AI has to tackle two completely different challenges. It's kind of like juggling two big jobs at once.
First, it has to genuinely understand you. And I don't just mean recognizing words. It has to get the context, the nuance, the real meaning behind your question. Only after it's done that can it move on to job number 2, generating a totally new, coherent answer from scratch.
And that right there is the key. Understanding has to come before responding. It's just common sense, right? You can't give a good answer if you don't get the question. So how does the AI solve this? Well, it uses a kind of specialist team.
And that team is made up of two distinct parts, the encoder and the decoder. Okay, first up is the encoder. Its one and only job is to be the listener. It takes your input, reads it, and focuses 100% on just understanding what it is you're actually asking. Now, once the encoder has a solid grasp on your question, it hands off that understanding to its partner, the decoder. The decoder's job is to be the speaker. It takes that core idea and starts building the response, literally one single word at a time. So how do these two parts connect? This is where it gets really smart. The encoder doesn't just forward your original question. Nope, it does something way more interesting. Instead of passing words, the encoder condenses everything it understood into a compact numerical summary. You can think of it like the AI's own concentrated thought. And it's this thought, this distilled essence of your question, that gets handed to the decoder, giving it the perfect blueprint to build its answer. You know, when you think about it, that's exactly how we humans communicate. We listen first, we process it, we really try to get it, and only then do we figure out what to say back. The AI is just engineered to follow that same logical path. And this simple but incredibly powerful idea is not just a theory. It's the engine running inside the AI tools that we all use every single day. This separation is what makes it so powerful. By having one part dedicated only to understanding, the AI gets a much deeper, richer grasp of the context. And that's why the answers you get feel so spot on and relevant, not just like a random string of words. So, the next time you ask an AI a question, you'll know about the elegant dance happening behind the screen. It's this powerful encoder-decoder process, the absolute heart of what's called the transformer architecture that fuels the most advanced large language models in the world, from ChatGPT and beyond.